have to read yourself. Venn diagrams and set operations. Why we call the diagrammatic representation of sets is Venn diagram. It is the main cause that it was first developed by John Venn, who was English mathematician born in 1834, and he first illustrated the sets graphically in 1817 in a paper of Bool's logical system. Venn diagrams, John Venn first illustrated or represented sets graphically in 1870 in a paper on Bool's logical diagram. A Venn diagram consists of a rectangle representing universal set U and subsets of U by circles or ovals inside it. In Venn diagram, we represent universal set by rectangular diagram and its subsets, either A, B, C, X, Y, Z, subsets of the universal set by circles or ovals inside the rectangular diagram. Such type of diagrammatic representation is known as your Venn diagram. The sets of elements representing different operations like union, intersection, difference, and complements are shown by shading the required regions. Here, union, intersection, difference, and complements, these parts are shown by shading the diagrams, shading the parts of the diagrams. And union, intersection, difference, and complements are called the set operations. Leonhard Euler of Switzerland also used diagrams to represent sets later on. Okay. After John Venn, Leonhard Euler also discussed about the diagrams. He used the diagrams to represent sets. So Venn diagrams are sometimes called Euler-Venn diagrams. Euler-Venn diagrams. Here we have here 6 figures, 6 diagrammatic representations of sets. In the first set, A is a subset of U. A is the subset of U or universal set. And universal set U is drawn in rectangular form and set A is in oval shape or circular form. Similarly, in the second figure, A and B are disjoint sets. A and B are subsets of universal set U. They are drawn inside the rectangular shape of which is universal set U. In the same way, in the third figure, ABC are overlapping sets. Their overlapping part is in the center, is in the middle, and ABC are of universal set. ABC are drawn in circles, and universal set is in rectangle form. Similarly, figure 4, A and B are over sets. Figure fifth figure represents A is a subset of B. This symbol indicates subset. A is a subset of B. It means all elements of A are also the elements of B. And the last figure, here B is the subset of A. Here all the elements of B are the elements of A. So we write this is B is a subset of A, or A contains B. A contains B. These are the set operations. That is Venn diagrams. Okay, Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams for the different sets. Here, especially in Venn diagram, universal set is represented by rectangular shape. This is universal set. If we draw circular diagrams inside the rectangular shape, the circular diagram represents the subset of universal set U. In this way, we can draw Venn diagrams. If A and B are disjoint, then A and B are drawn separately. If they are overlapping, then they are drawn combining some parts. A and B are overlapping here because they have some common element, common part. If they are disjoint, then we draw disjointly or separately in Venn diagram. Okay. This is the introduction of Venn diagram from your textbook itself. Similarly, set operations. What about set operations? In set operations, there are 4 set operations in set theory. There are 4 set operations: union, intersection, difference, and complement. Union, intersection, difference, and complement. These are the set operations. Okay. Union indicates the total elements of the given sets. This is also a new set. Union is known as a new set containing all the elements from the given sets. If we find out union of any 2 or more sets, then we should know that union is a new set which is formed by taking all the elements from the given sets without repeating them. Similarly, intersection is a new set. Intersection is a new set which is made by taking that the common in Venn diagram, common part represents intersection, and of the given sets, the total parts of the given sets represent in Venn diagram. Similarly, difference represents the new set in which the elements are taken from the first set but not from the second set. The difference represents the new set which is obtained by taking the elements from the first set but not from the second set. Similarly, complement is the difference between the universal set and the given set. These are the set operations. Now, what is called union of 2 or more sets? And they are Venn diagrams. In case of union, we take the elements from the given sets. Here, union of 2 or more sets. How we define union of 2 sets? The union of 2 sets, suppose A and B, is the set of the elements that belong either to A or to B or to both A and B. If we take the elements from the given sets A and B without repeating them, then we get a new set. That new set is known as the union. The union of 2 sets is known as the set of the elements taken either from A or from B or from both. It means A union B is the set of all X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Here, A union B represents the new set that has the elements taken from either set A or set B or from both the sets A and B. It means A मा भएको पनि B मा भएको पनि A र B दुईटैमा भएको पनि सबै एलिमेन्टहरु लियो भने त्यो चाहिँ के हुन्छ युनियन हुन्छ. Here some diagrammatic representation are given. Here in the first set A and B are disjoint. the union is the shaded region. Second set, in the second figure, ABC are disjoint sets, the shaded parts represent union. In the third figure, A and B are overlapping sets, the shaded part represents union. Similarly, in the fourth figure, ABC are intersecting sets, the shaded parts are called the union. And in the fifth figure, here A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B, so A union B is the shaded part. Shaded part that is from A also, from B also. So A union B is B itself is here. In the next figure, A and B are overlapping, B and C are overlapping, but A and C are disjoint. The shaded part represents union of the sets. In the same way, we have intersection, complement, and difference. Next one is intersection. In case of union, X so that the union of A and B is the set of all X so that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. But in case of intersection, it is here and. You see the word A and and in mathematical. Here, intersection of two sets A and B is the set of the elements which belong to both A and B. It means the new set, which is formed by taking common elements from the given sets, is known as the intersection of two sets. If A and B are two sets, then A intersection B, the symbol indicates here intersection. A intersection B is the set of all X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Here is and. Okay, in the previous case union, it was here or. Mathematically याद गर्नुपर्छ. Or भयो भने union बुझ्नु पर्यो, and भयो भने intersection बुझ्नु पर्यो. Now, the sets if A and B are disjoint, their common parts is not present, so that A intersection B is, what does the symbol indicate? Null. The symbol indicates null. A intersection B is phi. Phi symbol indicates null set, means empty set. A intersection B is empty here. In the second figure, A intersection B is shaded part. In the third figure, A intersection B is set A, because A is common to A also, B also. So that A intersection B is A. In the fourth figure, if ABC are overlapping, then the shaded part is intersection of ABC. In the fifth figure, this is shaded part, it represents the intersection of A union B and C. A union B and C. Fifth figure. Similarly, in the sixth figure, this is the union of A intersection B, A intersection C, B intersection C. भनेको इन्टरसेक्सनहरुको युनियन हो यो. A र B को, B र C को, C र A को इन्टरसेक्सनको युनियन भयो. यसलाई हामीले अर्को किसिमले पनि डिफाइन गर्न सक्छौं. डिफरेन्स अनुसार हामीले यहाँ के बुझ्नु पर्यो, इन्टरसेक्सन भनेको कमन हो. हामीले भेन डायग्राममा रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्दा के गर्छौं, कमन पार्टलाई सेड गर्छौं र भेन डायग्राममा व्यक्त गर्न सक्छौं. र इन्टरसेक्सन भनेको दुई वा दुई भन्दा बढी दिएका सेटहरुको कमन एलिमेन्टहरुको नयाँ सेट, नयाँ समूह चाहिँ इन्टरसेक्सन हो. यसरी बुझ्नु पर्छ. इन्टरसेक्सन अफ सेट्स. यसैगरी कम्प्लिमेन्ट छ, डिफरेन्स छ. डिफरेन्स अफ सेट्स के हो त? डिफरेन्स भनेको चाहिँ घटाउ गर्ने, माइनस गर्ने. Difference between two sets A and B denoted by A minus B is the set of the elements which belong to A but don't belong to B. Which belong to A but doesn't belong to B. A र B को डिफरेन्स भनेको A minus B, जसमा एलिमेन्टहरु पहिलो सेट A मा हुन्छन् तर B मा हुँदैनन्. A मा भएका तर B मा नभएका एलिमेन्टहरु लियो भने त्यो चाहिँ के भयो त? A डिफरेन्स B. त्यसैगरी बी डिफरेन्स ए भनेको बी मा भएका तर ए मा नभएका इलिमेन्ट लियौं भने त्यो चाहिँ बी डिफरेन्स ए भयो म्याथमेटिकल्ली ए माइनस बी इक्वल टु x so that x belongs to a comma x does not belong to b ए मा भएको तर बी मा नभएको इलिमेन्टहरु लियौं भने त्यो चाहिँ के भयो ए माइनस बी भयो अब हामीले भेन डायग्राममा ए र बी डिसजोइन्ट सेट हुँदा ए माइनस बी भनेको सेटै भयो किन कमन इलिमेन्ट छैन सेकेन्ड डायग्राममा ए माइनस बी भनेको ए तिर बाँकी भएको पार्ट सेट गरियो ए बाट बी घट्यो बी कम्प्लिटली डिडक्ट हुँदा के भयो बी चाहिँ पुरा ब्ल्याङ्क भयो ए मा बाँकी भएको पार्ट चाहिँ ए माइनस बी भयो त्यसैगरी बी माइनस ए को लागि के हुन्छ बी मा बाँकी भएको पार्ट ए बाट कम्प्लिट घट्छ भने ए चाहिँ पुरै व्हाइट हुन्छ बी को बाँकी पार्ट चाहिँ के हुन्छ सेड हुन्छ अनि नेक्स्ट फिगर ए युनियन बी माइनस सी ए युनियन बी बाट सी के गरियो डिफरेन्स गरियो ए युनियन बी डिफरेन्स सी भनेको फिगर थर्ड र फिगर फोर्थ भनेको के गरियो त ए बाट के घटाइएछ बी युनियन सी घटाइएछ ए बाट बी युनियन सी घट्दा आएको रिजल्ट चाहिँ के भयो त शेडेड पार्ट भयो यसरी हामीले विभिन्न सेटहरुको के गर्न सक्ने रहेछौं डिफरेन्सहरु पत्ता लगाउन सक्ने रहेछौं डिफरेन्स भनेको के हो त पहिलो सेटमा भएका इलिमेन्टहरु तर दोस्रो सेटमा नभएका हैन पहिलो सेटमा मात्रै भएका इलिमेन्टहरुको समूह जुन चाहिँ दोस्रो सेटमा छैन भने त्यस्तो चाहिँ के भयो त डिफरेन्स भयो ए माइनस बी मा ए मा मात्रै भएको हुनु पर्यो बी माइनस ए भयो भने बी मा मात्र भएको इलिमेन्ट हुनु पर्यो यो चाहिँ डेफिनेसन अनुसारको भेन डायग्राम र लास्टमा के छ कम्प्लिमेन्ट छ यो टेक्स्ट बुककै कुरा हुन है मैले पेजलाई मिलाएर स्लाइड बनाएको कम्प्लिमेन्ट भनेको चाहिँ के हो त युनिभर्सल सेटबाट दिएको सेट डिडक्ट गर्ने हो कम्प्लिमेन्ट अफ अ सेट ए कुनै पनि सेट ए छ भने यसको कम्प्लिमेन्ट के हुने भयो यसलाई डिनोट गर्दा ए को माथि बार कम्प्लिमेन्ट अफ अ सेट ए इज डिफाइन्ड एज ए बार और ए ड्याश और ए सी ए को माथि ड्याश स्थानियो भने पनि कम्प्लिमेन्ट बुझ्नु पर्यो माथि सी लेख्यो भने पनि कम्प्लिमेन्ट बुझ्नु पर्यो ए को ठिक्क माथि बार साइन लाइयो सिंगल बार साइन लाइयो भने पनि कम्प्लिमेन्ट बुझ्नु पर्यो सिंगल बार है त्यो which is the set of the elements which belong to the universal set U but do not belong to A जस्तो कुनै सेट ए को कम्प्लिमेन्ट भन्नाले के बुझ्नु पर्यो भने ए मा युनिभर्सल सेटमा भएको तर ए मा नभएको समूहहरुको सदस्यहरुको नयाँ समूह